channel. Today we are going to discuss about invoke command. Invoke command is used to uh, take a remote or execute a command or a script for a remote computing. So the syntax is invoke hyphen command. Then you have to give the computer name. Then we have to give the parameter script box. Script block, not script block. Script block means it will contain whatever script to be done or executed for this particular server. So we will go for a demo. I have this command, invoke command, computer name. I have a server called test server, which is here. See, this is the test server, and I need to know what is containing in this particular path. So C colon get child data. So I'm just executing this. So it will show what is a mode when it was written and when it was created, what is a program, then the computer name test server 02. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 directories, right? So we will go and do a testing. In this one, what we will do, we'll create a folder inside the C. This PC will go here. I'll create a folder called test. Okay, I'll create one more like this. I'll create. So previously it was 1 2 3 4 5 6 folders. Now we have created another 6 to 7 folders. So what we'll do, we'll again run this. So it is showing all the folders. That means from this machine I can access that test server 02. Similarly, if for example if I need to get this output as a text file or CSV, so what I will do, I will create a out file. Same thing, command. So this out file will be created in my run machine, not in the remote machine, current machine. So same command, only thing is out file giving like this. So I'm running this, so the command is executed. So output.txt, so we can see the output like this. Then next, if you want to know what are the services running, so what are all the services available, I can show like this. For example, if I need to show get the services in a report, I can go with the out file. So I can go to my service.txt, so it will show the running services of this particular servers. So this is a good tool, this is a good script which will help you to, instead of going remotely and taking the services, and you can save more time. Then process also we can do. So what I'm doing is I'm just running this one to out file. So process.txt key, so it will show the what other process it is handled. Then we can go with if you want to see, I will show you. I have one PowerShell running. I'll exit this. So if you want to run a PowerShell, so these are the ways to do the invoke command, and here we can even go with where object like get service where object services equal to start, that I will show in another video. So this is just an introduction for the get invoke command. So the invoke command will help you to find, remote into a computer very easily, and you can get the report very easily, and we can execute the commands also very easily. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share. Thank you.